If you're looking for a professional, reliable roofing company, then you've come to the right place. For over 30 years, New Roofs London have been repairing and replacing roofs, repointing chimneys and replacing guttering, fascias and soffits. We are qualified building contractors and undertake construction projects such as home extensions, loft conversions and associated trades, including plastering, rendering, brickwork, damp proofing and much more. We handle the whole job from start to finish and do not use subcontracted labour. We are proud to be members of Trusted Trader and the Confederation of Roofing Contractors. This means we are fully vetted and can offer insurance-backed guarantees for our work. If you'd like to receive a free, no-obligation quote for a roof repair or building project, call New Roofs London today.